Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the analysis of Super Expert Advisor. And before going to the Super Expert Advisor analysis, so if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can get the notifications from my side. Okay, guys, as you know that I have previously told you in my last video that I have set up the lot size to 0.01, and I will do manual trading when it will be required heavily. Then I will go for it. Otherwise not. So first of all, guys, I am going to take you towards the weekly chart of Euro Canadian dollar. So guys, most of the trades are in Euro Canadian dollar. You can see on the screen. So you can see there are some profitable trades. Some of them are losing, but these are the trades that are closed by my end. So what happened here is this. Look at the previous week. The previous week was closed above the middle dotted line. You can see there is a middle dotted line here. So when the as per the trading system, that it suggests that whenever any candle closes on the 1 hour or on the weekly or on the monthly, whatever, we can say that if it closes above the middle dotted line, then the next week has the chances to go up. But what happened? The market movers has taken this week down. Let me show you an example here. So first of all, you can see that they have taken the market into the upward direction, and after that they have suddenly dropped the market, and then it was keep on moving down, down and down. So guys, in this scenario, you can see when the price was down, expert advisor started to take buy positions on Euro Canadian dollar. You can see buy positions. Okay, so do not think that these are closed by expert advisor. The losing trades are closed by myself. Look at these positive trades, because with the 0.01 lot size, it gives to up to 0.25 and something a bit more above this. So what I have done, so it was going into the downward trend completely. Okay, and my positions from the expert advisor was into the buy position on Euro Canadian dollar most of the time. So guys, I was just waiting for the market to come up. So I'm going to show you my previous trades here, where I have tried what I have tried. I have tried with 0.50 lot size. Then first of all, I have tried with 0.50 lot size, but it also went down. The market went against me. Then I tried again 0.50, but still the market goes against me, because if you look at the daily pattern, then the daily pattern was down. Okay, now look at here. What I did is here that it was going down, down. I tried even with a 1 lot size. It was also against me. So going back, and look at this trade. That 4 lot size is used by my side, but with a reason. So what the reason is? So guys, please note that this market just moves like water. When it makes the downward wave, then it also come up with the upward wave. Now look here, it has made the downward wave. Now it has chances to go with the upward wave. Now I am here to explain you about the trading system, that how to use it more effectively. So first of all, I waited for the market to go down properly, and then the market was pumping up, and in this scenario what I have done, I have taken a strong buy position on Euro Canadian dollar, because it went completely down into my oversold levels as per the trading system. The market get a boost, and you can see that was a big gap from here to here. If you look at here, then this is a very good big gap. If you calculate the number of pips, the market straight went up, and that what I have used. I have used the 4 lot size, and then what I have done, I have closed the rest of the trades that were the losing. I have closed all the trades, and then my account is back to profit again. So guys, just this is the higher example that I am showing you with a 4 lot size. You can even cover up your lot sizes with 1, and for example, let's say you are using 0.01. I do not say that you should directly move to 4 lot size. It depends that what equity you have in your account. But overall guys, if you are using for example 0.01, then make a portfolio. Look, you are not very much experienced with forex trading. I know that most of the traders are just new to the trading system as well. So just make the portfolio. Let's say if you have a losing trades with 0.01, then you should go with 0.05, and still if you lose, then make the chances at the oversold levels with 0.20, and then you should try the multiple things, and then if your equity gives you the backup to the 0.50 and then 1.00, then you can make the chances long this. Okay, now let me show you that how I come to know that this will move up for a smaller period of time. Let me show you here on the daily candle. Look, we have a drop on completely drop on the system. Okay, but I let the system run. It has taken initially the sell positions. Let me show you the previous examples. You can see, guys, sell positions were advised on Euro USD and Euro Canadian dollar. It was taking sell positions, but after that it was into the buy position. And also, guys, $150 is also the profit caught on Euro Canadian dollar. That was also a scalping from my side on into the buy direction, and taken the, because it is important that when you have to cover your losses, then you do not have to plan a long trade. You should have to plan a short trade. Now, guys, what I was waiting for, look here, we have the middle line. So I was waiting for the market to touch the middle line here, because there most of the times I have seen, as per the trading system, when the market touch the middle line, then it gets a bounce from that level, because this is a very critical level on the daily chart. If it breaks below, then it means that this pair has still chances to go down, but it was unable to break that level. The market stays above the middle dotted line, and until unless it stays above, then it will be into the bullish trend. Overall, if you look at the monthly candle, the monthly candle has pumped down. If we go to the weekly candle, the weekly candle has pumped down. But if you look at it deeply, then still it is not closes below the middle dotted line. So if it closes below the middle dotted line, then the trend will get changed. So then you can do scalping into another direction. For example, if the weight of sell direction is higher and your open current lot size are into the buy direction, then you will take a scalping, let's say 4 lot size, 2 lot size into the sell direction. It depends on you that how you are tricking with this market. So, guys, this is just for the analysis, that you show you people that do not worried about losses, because the losses can be removed with manual trading like I am doing it. Look, $832 is simply caught on a trade, and that has evaporated all those losing trade that we have. Like if we talk about the losing trade, they were not too much, like 110 and 85 and 51. These were the major trades, but rest of the trades were on a very smaller losses. And overall, if we show you the rest of the data, then, guys, you can completely see it was giving us perfectly fine, working perfectly fine with the EA, and you can see it is giving us consistent profits as per the expert advisor. But overall, guys, you know that we do not fully rely on the expert advisor. That is why I have introduced that you should use this pip center indicator and the rest of the trading system with it, so that you can come to know that how things are going on. Okay, now look at Euro USD. Now I have some current trades must be closed on Euro USD. Let me show you. Okay, now the trading is on at 0.01 again, and if you look at here, then it has just closed 3 trades with 0.01 at a profit of 25 cents each. So, guys, this is how I let the robot working. Let it work. Where it lags, then enter and use the trading system, and it will help you to gauge more good trades. So, guys, this is all about the analysis for the week of this super expert advisor. And if you are looking to get this super expert advisor, then you need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Guys, if you are willing to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you are interested to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or, guys, if you are willing to learn from me about the signals, about the coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.